I mean, here at Porsche, we know there's a number of technological pioneering vehicles that were, well, coming out of the factory, and one of them also, well, shaped you, and the other way around. We're talking about the 918 Spyder. What does that mean for you, that car?
Ja, das war sicherlich
Well,
war
that
damals ein
was
Meilenstein. Es war,
a milestone.
weil du gesagt hast, ob es auch mich
To
geprägt
ask
hat, ganz
whether it
sicherlich.
has had an impact on me, certainly. It was the first time for me that I was responsible for the whole car. I was relatively young.
Eine wirkliche Herausforderung.
It was a major challenge, a big team effort. At the beginning, we had no idea how to deal with this, but we learned with efforts, with inspiration, and with team spirit, we can process this project and put this vehicle on the streets, and that is that has an impact on you.
Now, before we talk a little more about the project, let's have a look at the 918 Spyder. Let's have a, well, roll before us.
Ja, die Bilder sprechen für sich.
I mean, these pictures speak their own language. And here you see the car itself coming our way.
Wow. Ja, mit Walter Röhrl am Steuer.
And we've got Walter Röhrl driving it.
Gesehen.
That's a good sight.
Der legendäre Porsche.
So here it is, the legendary 918 Spyder. Here, assisted by another milestone masterwork, another icon, the 915. And what do you feel when you see these cars in front of you?
959 is an icon.
Fast ohne Worte. Das war,
It makes me lost for words. It has always been my dream, a car, the fastest car ever. When I was young, I wanted to, couldn't imagine the technological aspects. And
dann weiter fortgeschritten, auch ein
also at the latest experience, 918 technology carrier, hybrid technology was driven forward here. 2018, 10 years, a rational aspect, and now it's all about emotion. I think with that car we showed the competitors and our customers what can we do with that technology. It paved the way not only for hybrid technology but for the whole topic that is electrical mobility, recuperation, performance. We were able to use DC for charging, and we used fast charging technologies back in the day, so a big milestone for this and a major project, also a time witness, but also an important topic product.
What we saw earlier in the video, that record on the Northern Loop in Nürburgring, I mean, a few words about that?
Of course, such a project is very special, and you remember many different special, especially that day at Nürburgring in early September. We had lovely weather, and we felt the pressure. It was immense. So to IIA, we wanted to reach the right figures, and the figure was to be below than 7, and no other car ever achieved that with road permission, and you could see the emotions behind that, but also the burden that the team felt, and we delivered what we promised.
Maybe other stories you can tell us about this project. I mean, anything else you remember?
Yes, that was certainly one highlight, but there were other stages in that project where things went downwards. Or, you could see that in our shop floor where we bought it, it was all new. We built it, it was new, the first car was done. 5 days later we wanted to present the board with the car and tell them where they were, and then we received a phone call on Saturday morning at home, and the colleague said, well, there is a pipe, a broken water pipe, and in the shop floor, exactly above the car, 10 square meters, there is a car, and exactly this is where the water pipe broke, and 10,000 liters of water flew through the water, basically. and we were wondering what to do now. Those were the moments where you learn that the production manufacturing teams, the procurement teams, they rolled up their sleeves and took 3 days to disassemble and reassemble the car.
That's a pretty cool story. I mean, oh, it sounds. It was hectic, wasn't it? It was a lot tougher than you conveyed it here. So, what does that project mean for Porsche?
Ich glaube, für Porsche ist immer
I
wichtig,
think for Porsche, there's always one important thing. We want to show what's possible in terms of technology. We can set new standards and achieve the impossible. In terms of technology, we go and we walk new paths. And we have a very special team spirit that's driven by passion, by innovative energy. We uphold this to include this in new vehicles and new technologies. Our customers will be fascinated by these new solutions. And often these customers also fascinate us, and this drives us. This is worth the effort and it's great fun. These vehicles, they make history. And 10 years later, you are very proud of such a vehicle.
And it's a passion that probably everybody has here and shares. I mean, that's also a reason why Porsche as a brand manages time and again to bring these visions, these dreams into reality, no?
I don't think you can make an emotional product if you don't showcase a lot of passion of someone who's dreaming. We need someone who wants to realize it. We need passion. You can't learn this from the books. This comes from the heart.
Well, that was evident here. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for Dr. Frank Steffen Walliser and our cars. And we'll open up the next act. Thank you very much.
Und Dr. Walliser hat es uns
Dr. Walliser has just explained it to us, and he showed us that real dreams are made of passion on the one hand, and also as a dreamer you always know that you will achieve your goals. And here we also would like to achieve our goals. We would like to know and talk to Walter and Striezel. We would like to know about their #1, their top favorite car of the last 75 years of Porsche sports cars. Now, please, gentlemen.
Wir haben jetzt noch ein Kuvert. Sollten wir es vielleicht noch ein bisschen künstlich in die Länge ziehen, damit es spannender ist?
Ja, also ich will zuerst mal festhalten, dass wir bereits 9 faszinierende Fahrzeuge aus 75 Jahren gesehen haben. Und es wird Zeit, dass wir jetzt mal zum Ende kommen. Lüftet das Geheimnis weiter, dreh's um.
10 Jahre zuvor gab es schon ein ähnliches Leuchtturmprojekt, den Porsche Carrera GT. Jetzt der Sieger heißt Porsche 918 Spyder. Unter 7 Minuten. Nordschleifenrekord.
Performanceorientierter Hybridantrieb.
918 Fahrzeuge in 21 Monaten Bauzeit.
Kaum zu glauben, dass der schon vor 10 Jahren auf den Markt kam.
Wird eigentlich Zeit für ein Update.
Ja, schöne Top 10, die wir da rausgefunden haben. Und ich glaube, das entspricht auch ein bisschen so unserem Geschmack, unserer Verbindung zum Hause Porsche, was wir da rausgesucht haben, oder?
Man muss uns nur machen lassen. Was glaubst du, wäre rausgekommen, wenn der Timo Bernhard seine eigenen Highlights festgelegt hätte?
Ich glaube, der hätte sich für Selle Carrera entschieden, weil er so schön lächelt, oder?